Want to talk about a new Chrome extension that I have developed. Just in yesterday, I worked a couple of hours, and then day before yesterday, I worked a couple of hours. It's kind of fascinating how the AI stuff is moving on, and how much progress is done. And this is pretty much like I will be used maybe sometimes in my life, but um, um, the goal was like I wanted to have some hands-on experience with ChatGPT or AI, API. Now, to be able to use their API, I need to buy a $20 subscription, and I don't want to do that. And luckily, there are some API I found in online. People are openly publishing. I don't know why they're doing it, but I was able to use that. So what happened is I want to know every time I go to a job search, right? Like there are a lot of time it happened like I need to create a cover letter instantly based on the description. And this is something I'm too lazy at it. Like if I ever create like I don't know, like applying for a job and creating every piece of cover letter is not something I would like to do. So what I have done is create a extension which allow me to create a cover letter on the fly. And what does it mean is like if this is a Chrome extension that inject a script in the page. If I open it, if you see it doesn't have anything. It does pretty simple. Like if I open, I generate a prompt which actually copy all the text you see in here pretty much. So if I go in this on in JP Morgan um, and I click on generate prompt, it copy the job description, job requirements, and it will gonna create a prompt something like this, like as a skill, blah blah. Now this is something I am still planning to do, and under bio, this is something I want to have a button here to able to upload a resume or something. Based on that, I can get the text about your bio, and based on all this data, I'm creating this prompt. And whenever I submit, I call a OpenAPI API, and then what it does is like it gives me a cover letter pretty much. I mean, I don't know, like how magically, how good it is, how ethical it is, or whatever it is. But if you see, like I do have a cover letter with the name details, and pretty much it match. I'm applying for JP Morgan, and this thing like X year of experience, right? What I can do is like I have 10 years of experience. So basically, this can be fetched from API, your resume, which I'm planning to do. And if I just submit again, you will see that this get changed. The API takes a while for to complete. I wish I could do better on the UX, but for one day, I guess this is the most I can do. So if I submit again, you'll see that let's let it come. Okay, now you see I have a 10 years of experience here, which is pretty nice. So the future plan could be I want to add my name, like which my name and the company details like profile. Here I am able to fetch only the company name itself. Like what if I want to add all those details also, which should be nice to have, I guess. And then my name also, which can be added, right? Let's say my name is John Doe. Let's see if it's work. And those can be preset based on the account, right? I should be able to, make use of creation of account or something. I don't know to add all those feature because it's just prototype. But initially the POC works, which is pretty nice actually. How I'm able to get all this data and everything. I don't know why a lot of the best engineer in the world are not doing it. That would be nice because we engineers supposed to solve problem, and when we talk about solving problem, this is something I think we want to solve, right? Um, so did API equal? Let me try again. Maybe timeout. I've noticed a lot of the time I'm getting timeout, and I don't know why. Okay. Uh, we'll see. But that's so far the update, right? How the code works is pretty simple. Um, if you really don't have any experience in building Chrome extension, I mean, it's something to learn because it has a lot of things that usually as a web developers we don't do. So, for example, like I was facing a lot of struggle importing a module. Then I had this help from this GitHub repo. I'm using Bit with anti design. Um, it wasn't required, I guess. I just used few of this component. But now there is something called content, and in the content, I'm just pretty much using a form, and then on the form change, I'm just this was what I was trying to do is from the backend. What how it works is like every time I switch tabs or open a new link, I wanted to automatically, set those data. Like for example, now every time I open, like if I change it, for example, I go here and go here. To be able to get that, I need to, click here to generate prompt. So because it's a single page, I wanted to have this event, and it kind of worked, but I just keep it simple. So whenever there is an event on change, I could do the same generate prompt, this thing. It would also work pretty much. So there's nothing harm on that. But I just prefer click on the button thing, which I think is nice. Um, Other than that, I notice is like um, paying for $20 for a POC not worth it. Um, I wish ChatGPT provided a API for people like us who are just interested to learn new things or do new things and try out and a free option so we could use their API. I noticed there I have 20 credit, $19 credit, I think, but I don't know why they don't allow me to use it. Like I have to put my credit card and all those stuff. I don't know. Um, but overall, it was a good experience for me. I mean, I learned quite a new things when in terms of developing a Chrome extension. It's not really a very easy job, I would say, because you are limited by a lot of features, lot of things. I mean, whoever have been developing, free extension, Chrome extension that I have been using, or have been doing those, like I salute you people. Like you guys are pro, like spending your time for those kinds of feature that you guys provide. I understand. Yesterday I was looking for one of extension I use like for creating a dark mode, for example, if I like use the dark mode, right? And this code base is like massive. Like when I say massive, it's like not like huge, but it's a lot of code and a lot of custom code you have to write. It's not pretty easy, I would say. So I was like pretty surprised actually, like this is something that is used. But hey, people spend time, learn new things, do new things, and I like it. And hopefully, I don't know. I don't have plan to, release this app unless somebody say that, okay, hey, this is nice. I want to have it because there are a lot of paid applications who are doing the same thing. I would say. For example, there are resume builder, a lot of companies doing this, and um, I don't like it. Like really, those things should be free. And like because of those, industries are changing. Like for example, the lead code things are like it's becoming now in industry standard. Like you have to have a lead code and ATS resume and all those nonsense. I mean, I don't like those things. Um, but hey, this is becoming norms. Like now, if I release this app, like now everybody's like, okay, I have to check if this cover letter was generated by a chat GPT or not, or something OpenAI model or not. Nonsense. Just say hi, hello, and then if you like the guy, just hire him. It's just writing a resume. I don't know from ChatGPT. I don't know. It's how ethical it is, but hey, this is the world we live in. But let me know what you think. This is probably one of the coolest thing I have done in the last 2 weeks in my vacation, Christmas vacation. Pretty much, I'm happy with it. Thank you. Have a good day.